Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing kind of like a get ready with me. I have this idea for a look that I'm trying to, put out. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. This is the same moisturizer I use on my everyday face, but I just have the sample size for makeup thingy. For primer, I've been using this one that I really love. This is the DERMABLEND Jelly Primer. What's this? It's an INSTAGRIP jelly primer. I really love this primer. It's so nice. I'm gonna take these Cover FX drops, and I'm just gonna use that to highlight my face before I put on the base. So for foundation, I'm using this AOA Studio foundation. I did a review on it. Check it out. And yeah, I really like this foundation. It's really natural. That's just what I love about it. Just add a few drops. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna move on to concealer. I'm using this TOOFACED Born This Way concealer. And for contour, I'm using my black opal contour stick. I'm just doing a bit more. Now that the base is all done, it's time to set the base. I'm using this SEPHORA Micro Smooth Powder in FONCE Deep. Okay, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and eyebrow base. So I think we can actually move on to the look now. Let me zoom you guys in. So I'm thinking of doing a graphic liner kind of look. So first, just take any powder, face powder that you have. I'm taking this one by Makeup Forever, and use that to set your eyelids. So I'm taking this ULTA white crayon pencil thingy. So it's just basically white eyeliner, and I'm gonna use that to draw a line like this. I don't know, y'all gonna see now. So I've done both of them. This one looks better than this one, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. So I'm just gonna fill this in with a neon red or pink color. I'm using the JUVIA'S SAHARAN palette, and I'm gonna take this neon shade right here called Sokoto, and I'm gonna use that. Just place that right on top to the white liner. So. I'll be right back. Okay, I like the way this turned out. It's really neon-y. I love this eye, but this eye, she could be better, but this eye right here, beautiful, pretty. So now I'm just gonna apply some mascara. Okay, let's move on to the rest of the face. So now I'm gonna take the Milani Baked Bronzer, and I'm just gonna bronze my face. So for blush, I'm gonna take this AOA Perfect Blush in the shade AUBURN. It's like this orange color, and I'm like, ooh. should go really well. I'm gonna go back to that neon shade, take a bit of that and put that in my blush. You have to be really careful because this is really pigmented. So for highlight, just because we're in the pink theme, I'm gonna take this AOA. It's actually a blush, but it's too light for a blush. It's in the shade Golden Apricot. It's like a swirl. Pretty cute and hey guys, so I'm actually trying to find an inner corner shade and I don't know which one to use, and I'm gonna use something from this palette. You guys are probably thinking I should use pink, but I'm thinking of going to this green. I don't know, it's just really calling my name. So pretty, y'all. If you guys are wondering. So pretty, so pretty. Okay, like this is so pretty, you guys. Oh my god, so pretty, so pretty. I did that, y'all. Okay, so for lips, I have two options right here. I could do a regular nude nice glowy lipstick, or I could do like a bright pink to go with the eyes. So you know what, we're just gonna do both, yeah. Not bad at all, you guys. But let me show you guys how the nude is gonna look. So this is the other lip option. Let me go do my hair now and I'll show you guys the final look. This is the final look. I know I love this so much. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and yeah, I love this look so freaking much. Like, it's giving me, I don't know, goddess vibes. I don't know, but but yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.